Today we're taking this blank, underutilized space and are going to figure out one way to make a pegboard wall with modular shelving as a part of our son's bedroom remodel. We started with a full sheet of 3/4 inch birch plywood and ripped it down to size, which for us was 42 inches, but just a hair under 8 feet. I marked out a 6-inch by 6-inch grid using a 4-foot T-square. I used a 1-inch Forstner bit to drill holes where my lines intersected. "90 holes later, I cleared off the board and was ready to sand. I started with 180 grit sandpaper, but it wasn't taking care of some of the darker pencil marks, so I went down to 150 grit, but was careful not to sand through the veneer. After that pass, I moved back to 180 grit and then finally to 220. This got the plywood ready for polyurethane. I wiped the remaining dust off the board and brushed on 2 coats of oil-based poly. Between coats, I cut some 1-inch dowels into 9-inch long sections. We taped off and painted some geometric shapes onto the board. I screwed a 2x4 through the sheetrock and into the stud on either side of the wall. The pegboard will attach to these 2x4s, creating an 1.5 inch void between the existing wall and the pegboard. I struggled a bit to get the pegboard into place, but eventually got it. I left it a 1/2 inch narrower than the space I was putting it in, which made it easier to get into place, and it made up for any inconsistencies in the existing wall. I used some 1/4 inch scrap I had to shim out the board and make the gaps on both sides consistent. And secured the pegboard into the 2x4s in pre-marked locations. The 9-inch dowels we cut will go through the plywood into the back of the void, making them stick out 6 3/4 inches past the edge of the plywood. This is the area that will support the shelving. The shelves are also made from plywood. They're 8 inches wide and range in lengths from 10 inches to 33 inches. We've changed the position of the shelves a lot so far, and have found out the pegs work well for holding skateboards, hats, headphones, and backpacks too. The modularity of this wall will make it easy for my son to try new setups that meet his needs, his style, and can grow with him. I got the idea for this project from the DIY bedroom renovation video from Modern Builds. Please check out his channel to see where I got the idea and to see his execution of it. I had a great time making this project, and I think it will work well in our home, but it was only one way to make it. I'd be interested to hear your way to make this project, or to make it better, if you feel like leaving it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.